M.A.D for Mondays. I'm here with Kerry Phipps, who really makes a difference every day to so many people. So I'd love to know, Kerry, how you start your day on a Monday to make a difference for yourself and others.
Oh, that's a great question, Kath, because I think Mondays, the last few months, I've actually been doing a gym class Monday morning. And sometimes it's one that I really don't feel like doing, but it does set me up well to be, more energized and focused on making a difference. And even just going to the gym, sometimes there can be somebody there who's maybe not confident or, just needs encouragement. I think sometimes I need encouragement, or I need to just congratulate myself for turning up. It's like sometimes we do things to look after ourselves that sometimes we don't feel like we've got time for it. But if we just do it, then we're glad that we did. So I think when we do take that time for self-care, then we can look after others too. But I just think every day is an opportunity to be making a difference. So, and it's the little things, and I think it's really important to notice that maybe it's just a smile, maybe it's just a brief connection with somebody, or just a quick comment like, well done for being here, or good on you, thank you for doing that, I love the way that you show up, I love that colour on you. It's just something that lifts people.
Yeah. I love that. So to make a difference on a Monday, I love the word self-care, because when we self-care, we're actually self-leading. And that can make such a difference to us and then also the people we meet. So thanks so much for sharing, Kerry. I love your tip. Speak to you soon.
Okay.
Make a difference on a Monday.
And every day.
Yeah.